In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Hostinger step by step, whether you want to use your email and password or sign in quickly with Google. If you've ever felt unsure about where to click or how to get into your Hostinger account, this guide will make it simple. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to reach the login page, enter your details, and access your hosting dashboard without any confusion. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once the browser is open, go to Hostinger's official website by typing hostinger.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Make sure you're on the correct website so you can safely log into your account. When the Hostinger homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the login button there. Click that button to begin the sign-in process. On the login page, Hostinger will ask you to enter your account information. If you normally sign in with an email and password, type in the email address linked to your Hostinger account first. Then enter your password carefully in the password field. Double check for any typing errors, especially if your password has capital letters, numbers, or special characters. After you've entered your details, click Sign In. If the information is correct, you'll be taken straight into your Hostinger account dashboard. From there, you can manage your websites, hosting plans, domains, emails, and other services. Now, if you use Google Login instead, the process is even faster. Go back to the login button on Hostinger's website if needed, then choose Continue with Google. A window will appear asking you to select the Google account you want to use. Pick the account connected to your Hostinger profile. After you choose the account, Google may ask you to confirm access or complete a quick verification step. Once that's done, you'll be logged in automatically and redirected to your Hostinger dashboard. This method is especially useful if you don't want to remember another password and prefer using your Google account for faster access. If you ever run into trouble while logging in, the first thing to check is whether your email address and password are typed correctly. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and that you're using the official Hostinger website. If you still can't get in, you may need to reset your password from the login page, but for most users, the process is very quick and straightforward. So to recap, open your browser, go to hostinger.com, click login in the top right, enter your email and password, then click sign in, or if you prefer, choose continue with Google, select your account, and you're in. That's how to log into Hostinger in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.